Welcome to Aqua Platicodon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked. Have you ever heard of CNN and LSTM? No, we're not talking about the news network. These are two AI technologies that help computers recognize things and predict the future. Sounds complicated, right? Well, don't worry. We'll break it down into something simple enough for anyone to understand. CNN, or Convolutional Neural Network, is used for recognizing patterns in images. LSTM, or long short-term memory, is a type of neural network that helps AI remember past data to predict future events. That might still sound confusing, but let's put it in a way that makes sense. Imagine AI as a security camera system. CNN is the part that looks at the screen and recognizes what's there. Hey, that's a person, that's a car. LSTM, on the other hand, is the part that keeps track of what happened before. That car was moving fast a second ago. Now it's slowing down. It might be stopping. A good example is medical imaging. CNN looks at an X-ray and says, "I see a shadow. It could be a tumor." LSTM then compares it with previous X-rays and notices that the shadow has grown over time, which could mean a serious condition. The same logic applies to face recognition. CNN detects two eyes, a nose, and a mouth, and decides it's a face. LSTM tracks changes over time and might notice that the person is aging or growing a beard. In self-driving cars, CNN identifies objects like stop signs, pedestrians, and traffic lights. LSTM watches how these objects behave, like noticing that the car ahead is slowing down and might stop soon. At the end of the day, AI isn't magic. It's just pattern recognition and change detection. You don't need to know how to build a CNN or LSTM model to use AI effectively. Just like using Google, you don't need to understand its search algorithms to find what you need. So the next time someone throws around fancy AI terms, you'll know exactly what they mean, and you might even understand it better than they do. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Aqua Platicodon. See you in the next one.